Hi, this is Diego Gonzalez, and today we're going to show you how time-saving is to have a professional equipment like this to perform a flush in the brake system and exchange the brake fluid. And today we have Luis to do a demo in this Honda CR-V from 2007. And now Luis is going to start. We prepared 2 liters of brake fluid, performing a perfect brake fluid exchange. SB9 comes with a variety of accessories, convenient for mechanics to operate. Universal master cylinder reservoir cap, easily compatible with various vehicles. Now we are ready for brake fluid exchange. Now that we have finished setting up the machine, we are going to check how long does it take to change the brake fluid in the 4 wheels. Starting now. Now we are ready for brake fluid exchange. Transparent tanks design. Clearly see the brake fluid exchange progress. Complete brake fluid exchange in the 4 wheels in less than 15 minutes. Now that we have finished to change the brake fluid in the 4 wheels, it took around 12 minutes. And if you add the time to setting up the machine, that is around 3 minutes. So in total you can do the complete service in just around 15 minutes. Now we are just going to check if the level of the brake fluid reservoir is okay. We double check the brake fluid level. The maintenance service is done. As you can see, the service was done very fast, in around 15 minutes. And the machine was very easy to use. Also, it provides you 2 transparent tanks where you can see the difference of the extracted brake fluid and the new brake fluid, which you can show it to the car owner. And also the filter gather a lot of impurities, where you also can show to the car owner. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to press like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Thanks.